Hello, and welcome to St. Mary's County Public Schools. We are located on the beautiful St. Mary's Peninsula in southern Maryland. We have nearly 18,000 students working with 2,000 professionals, striving each day to achieve success and become valuable contributors to society. St. Mary's County Public Schools accommodates a large military community, with the Pax Naval Air Station located here, providing for a diverse community. What is enjoyable is that we host students from around the world: Italy, Brazil, South Korea, Finland, Australia, England, and various other places. A small school district, we have just 3 high schools, but do have other outlets for our students, such as the Fairlead Academy, which targets students who are a dropout risk, ensuring that we do our very best to see these students graduate. We also have a tech center where students who do not wish to pursue higher education obtain a skilled trade that gives them a way to make a successful living after their educational careers. St. Mary's County Public Schools presents a great student-to-teacher ratio, with small class sizes allowing excellent support, a balanced education, meeting the needs of all students. Our students graduate. For such a small populace, it says a great deal about our students and schools that nearly $50 million are offered to our students in way of college scholarships. As you can see, we offer many avenues for our students. At our 3 high schools, we have different pathways. At Chopticon High School, we have the Academy of Finance. Also at Chopticon, we have the Academy of Visual and Performing Arts. At Leonardtown High School, we have Global and International Studies program, which focuses on international careers such as foreign service, military, political science, along with many other avenues. At Great Mills High School, we have the STEM Academy. We also have those at several elementary schools. The STEM Academy focuses on science, technology, engineering, and math. St. Mary's County Public Schools produces a rigorous educational culture, where our students benefit from a vast array of learning goals and standards. Learning how to read and analyze informational text, analytical writing, demonstrating strong content knowledge are just some of the ways we prepare our students for college and careers. As mentioned before, balance in our education system is key, which includes assessments that help guide our teaching and learning. Assessments are flexible in order to properly measure students' proficiency and learning in order to make instructional decisions. Restorative practices have recently been implemented to address negative student behaviors in a proactive way, focusing on relationships, clear expectations, and a proactive approach. Also committed to staff, St. Mary's County Public Schools hires highly qualified, highly effective individuals to help our students succeed and drive them to become lifelong learners. Not only do we have a gifted and effective teaching staff, but our district also makes every effort to hire a diverse staff. Through various avenues, we are always in search of distinct professionals who can contribute effectively in our schools. Our system's first guarantee is that we provide a safe and healthy environment for our students. Our schools are maintained, thoughtfully updated, and accommodating to all students and their learning, which demonstrates our commitment to giving our students the best we can offer. In today's world, technology could not be more essential. We work hard to provide our children with a considerable selection of technology, helping to prepare them for the modern world and working culture. Finally, we are highly committed and approachable to our community. We value communication, collaboration, and honesty in fostering relationships that benefit our students and our educational climate. I hope you have enjoyed the preview of our school system. St. Mary's County Public Schools, students, staff, schools, sustainability, and stakeholders.